I'd like to dedicate this one to the squall that passed over. We don't get rain in California, so we're like, what is this? It's called Hello Hurricane. It goes like this. That Texas, you smack.
Watching the sky, they've been turning blood red. Not a doubt in my mind anymore. There's a storm up ahead.
Yes, sir, I'm singing.
Hello, hurricane, you're not enough. Hello, hurricane, you can't silence my love. I've got doors and windows boarded up. All your dead and fury is not enough. You can't silence my love. Everything I have, I count as lost. Everything I have is stripped away. Before I started building, I counted up these costs. I got nothing left and no one to take away. Hello, hurricane, you're not enough. Hello, hurricane, you can't silence my love. I've got doors and windows boarded up. All your dead and fury is not enough. You can't silence my I'm on fire, fighting for control. I'm on fire, fighting for my soul. Everything inside of me surrenders. Can't silence my